Welcome back to my channel. If you have been worried that your GPA is too low to study abroad, don't stress. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to study abroad with a low GPA, even if it's between 2.0 and 3.0. The best part, no IELTS, no application fee, and yes, this opportunity are fully funded for 2025 to 2026 academic section. So make sure you watch to the end because I'll be sharing the top universities and scholarship that are still open, how you can apply for it right now to study in your dream university. If you love this kind of content, all you need to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification button, because you'll be getting notification on every video and update that is being dropped on this channel. Do well to like, share to individuals that are also interested in this kind of top universities that can accept you with your low CGPA. And all these universities I'll be mentioning, most of them are found in USA. So as an international student and you have low CGPA, you don't need to worry because these universities are going to offer scholarships to you to study in their school. The first university we are going to be talking about is Rutgers University. This university is actually located in USA. So as an international student and you have low CGPA, this is a wonderful opportunity for you to grab. You can go ahead and exploit the website and know what these universities offer to international students. The second university we are going to be talking about is what we know as the University of South Carolina. This university is also found in USA. This university also accepts students who have low CGPA. They will give you admission, and if you are also qualified for their scholarship, the scholarship will be granted to you. So as an international student and you want to study in USA, this is a wonderful opportunity for you to grab. You can still explore the website to know what this university offers to international students. The next university we are going to be talking about is what we know as Penn University. This Penn University is also located in USA. So if you're an international student and you want to study in US, this university also offers scholarships to international students. So if you have a low CGPA, this is a wonderful opportunity for you to grab. The link to this website is going to be posted on the description button. You just need to go there, click on the link, and it will bring you directly to this website. Explore the website and know what this scholarship and their university entails before applying for the school. The next school we're going to be talking about is what we know as the University of Kentucky. This University of Kentucky is also located in USA. They can accept you with your low CGPA. So if you have a low CGPA as an international student, you don't need to worry because this university is going to grant you admission, and they also offer scholarships to international students. So as an international student, this is a wonderful opportunity for you to grab if you want to study in 2025 and 2026 academic section. So all these schools I've mentioned are the schools that can give you admission with your low CGPA. Whether you have 2.0 or 3.0, they can offer you admission, and if you are qualified for their scholarship, they can also grant you full-time scholarship to study in their schools. So as an international student, this is a wonderful opportunity for you to grab, and make sure you apply for one or two universities that we have mentioned in this video. Like I said before, the links to all these websites will be posted on the description button. All you need to do is to go to the description button, grab the link, and go ahead and apply for it. If you love all this content we play in this video, all you need to do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification button so that you will not miss the next updates. Thank you, and see you in my next video.